Lost and Forgotten, Episode 5. And we got Radhanpur in India. The price of greatness is responsibility. Responsibility is demonstrated by actions and deeds, not by words or information inserted in some glossy magazines or corporate websites. And this story is the best example of it. Newly achieved independence, unified, undivided India. Cheating, deception, fraud, and brainwashing towards oneself was in full form. There were few kings who voluntarily decided to be the part of India, and few who made understood with different facts and logic to be the part of it. There were few states who wanted to be the independent state, and few also wanted to merge with Pakistan. Radhanpur in North Gujarat, there was the rule of Nawab. One day, Muktilal Veerwadia, a Jain Shravak, overheard the conversation of 2 to 3 people discussing. We have 4 houses in Godiji and 2 houses in Tamboli. Now, we are just waiting for Nawabs to merge with Pakistan. I am waiting for that golden moment. The third one said, Bhaijan, we will not only loot the houses of Banyas, but we will also empty their ornaments, money, everything. Muktilal Veerwadia, who was listening to this conversation, was alert and cognizant. He understood the fact that it was not a casual conversation, but it was giving the signs for upcoming problems, which was going to ring the bell at their doorstep. He went to the leader of Jain Sangh, Jeevatlal Pratapshi. He familiarized him with the talks going on in the town. Jeevatlal was not only rich, but he was very intellectual. He anticipated the forthcoming problem and also found the solution. He had a conversation with Honorable Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But the great patriot that time was busy solving the problem in Junagadh and Hyderabad. So he couldn't focus much on this matter. Then Jeevatlal approached Kasturbhai Lalbhai. They had a deep conversation that if Radhanpur merges with Pakistan, then Bharat will have to lose so many provinces and territories. Further going ahead, what will happen to the Kutch district in Gujarat? Alas, Sardar Vallabhbhai very cleverly nailed it. He very well knew that to keep Bharat undivided and to save Kutch, it was mandatory to merge Radhanpur with India. And it took no time for him to understand it. Hence, he sent a message to the Nawab for the approval. But he did not agree. So Sardar personally visited Radhanpur and had a conversation with them explaining the scenario. At the end of the conversation, he said, I will come back after taking lunch at Jeevatlal's house. If you accept to merge with Bharat, then okay. But if not, then the result will not be good. The Nawab thought, if we go against Sardar, then he will overshadow us in the province of Radhanpur. So, with insecurity and fear, after thinking for a while, within half an hour, the Nawab made the decision to be the part of Bharat. He accepted and signed the proposal. So friends, that day, if Muktilal Veerwadia, Jeevatlal Pratapshi, Kasturbhai Lalbhai and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were irresponsible, then we would never get the huge province of Radhanpur in Bharat. So, responsibility makes you mature, not your age. So with the power of being responsible, Inner Voice Pathshala always tells you to aspire yourself correctly and inspire the world.